Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can unprotect seeds in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my file in my Google Sheets, and as you can see, I have protected this tab seed and I'm going to unprotect it. If we want to unprotect, we can right click on the tab seed and click on protect the seed. Okay, then here you can click on cancel. Then click on this option like this, and then if you want to unprotect it, you can click on this icon to delete the seed protection. Okay, just like this, and click on remove. Okay, and now the seed has been unprotected. That's so easy, right? Alright guys, and that's all the way to unprotect tab seed in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!